to Jamb 2011 Economics Past question number 22. It says one of the characteristics of oligopoly. One of the characteristics of oligopoly is the availability of option A says few sellers, option B says few buyers, option C says many sellers, option D says a single seller. Now oligopoly market structure in which a few firms dominate, just few firms dominates. So the characteristics of oligopolistic competition is interdependency, importance of advertising, intermediaries, determinants of demand curve facing an oligopolistic group behavior, importance of advertising and selling costs. So from our listing, the characteristics of oligopoly is that they have few sellers. So option A is the correct answer. Thank you, and please subscribe for more past questions.